If you're looking to lower the feed dogs or cover them up, on the Singer Fashion Mate 3342, you're going to look in your accessory bag and find this little cover plate. So this little cover plate has those little pegs. They will fit into the holes on the throat plate. The one thing you do have to note is that you get it on correctly, because this way the opening for where the needle goes in and out is not lined up with the presser foot. So you're going to turn this around, just slide it underneath the presser foot until those two little pegs hop into the holes of the throat plate. You might have to wiggle it till they fall in there. There they are. And then you will not have to worry about the feed dogs touching the fabric. Now, where would I use this? You can use this when you free motion quilt. That is one place that they recommend your feed dogs being lowered or disengaged. The other time would be when you're sewing on buttons that you would be using with the button sew on foot. Now, for any reason that this provides too much closeness because of the level and thickness that it is, you can also turn your stitch length to 0. Now, I know the feed dogs will still be up, but they aren't going to be pulling against the fabric. All they're going to do is just go like this. They're going to almost tap the fabric underneath it. And I've sometimes done that when I've had a really thick button and I'm using this foot and there's not enough room for everybody, or it makes it difficult. I'll take the plate off, use the button sew on foot, and set the stitch length to 0. Of course, with the sewing on button, we'll have the zigzag stitch width set around 3.5 to 4, and I can sew right into those holes. So just note that is another option. I have done that also for free motion quilting, but this is the cover plate for the feed dogs.